There are a variety of reports that Percent can produce. They can be printed by the receipt printer or emailed right to your inbox. To find reports, go to the System menu, find the Reports tab, and here you can find our reports. Some popular go-to reports include receipts, sales by date, and inventory. Let's generate a receipts report. Each report will ask for your preferred settings and filters. Set the time frame. Choose your parameters. For this case, I'd like to know more about the sales Eduardo has made. Change the user in the filters and hit Run after your filters are set. Now you have a list of all the receipts for the user. You can also use the Search tab to narrow down certain details, making it easy to find a transaction. Sales by date is identical. Just set your filters. You can print or email after running your report. Or you can print from your receipt printer with the Receipt button. Inventory reports can be useful for your staff. Include your desired options and select Run. This will generate a letter-sized report. There are many more reports that you are able to generate. Just make sure to keep your data tidy. Your reports are only as organized as the data it's looking for.